Welcome. How can I help you?
My phone fell on the ground. Now it does not work.
Let me take a look.
Please be careful.
I am checking it now. What do you think? The screen is broken. Now I need to check the inside.
I hope it can be repaired.
We are waiting for your answer. I am checking the battery now. Everything must be examined carefully.
I hope nothing inside is damaged. Please be okay.
Let us try to turn it on. It is still not working.
Oh no.
Please check one more time. I have one more idea. Let us test the phone with this machine.
I hope it works. We are not giving up.
The test has started. Please wait a moment. We hope for good news.
Come on, phone.
The test is finished. I found the problem.
Really?
That is wonderful news. I have good news. The phone is not completely broken. It only needs a new screen.
That is a big relief.
I have a new screen. I can replace it today.
That is amazing. The phone will work again.
The new screen fits perfectly. The repair is almost finished. You are doing a great job.
Thank you very much.
Let us turn it on. Great, it is working again.
Thank you so much.
Hooray! The phone is fixed!
The screen works perfectly. Everything is working again.
That is wonderful. I am happy to help.
Thank you for fixing my phone.
You are very welcome. Please take good care of your phone. We really appreciate your help.
Our phone is working again.
Let us take a family selfie. Everyone smile.
This is a happy day.
This is my favorite picture today.
It is a wonderful family memory.
Everyone looks so happy. I love this picture.
We should always take good care of our things.
Being careful can prevent accidents.
I will be more careful from now on. Me too.
Every problem has a solution.
And we should always be careful with our things.
Today I learned a good lesson. Family makes every problem easier.